Hey, how's it going everybody? I apologize for not posting a video in a while. I've been really busy with work and some other things going on. But that being said, I'm back, and today we're going to be installing a new air filter on my Audi A4. So hang in there, check it out. Alright guys, now that we have the air box out, I went ahead and I did some work off camera, but basically what we've done here is we've taken a piece of plywood and we've cut out an inner diameter circle that is equal to the diameter of the mass airflow sensor, which is 2 3/4 inches. Now the outside diameter was cut to 5.5 inches to accommodate our new pod filter itself. So basically all we have to do is reinstall these in an order that will give us our new intake. And basically when it's all said and done, it's going to look something like this. And then we just attach that to our inlet hose for our turbo and we should be done. Oh, and we need to plug in our MAF sensor as well. All right, let's hop back over to the car and I'll show you how we do that. Alright, so we got the new air filter in, we got everything put back together. The MAF is wedged between the inlet pipe of the turbo and everything's clamped down, put back together where it should be. The only difference is we have our new air filter. So, I'm going to start this up and do a sound check. Once everything looks good, we're going to install this little breather filter on the injection pump inlet, and we should be looking good after that, but we're going to do a test real quick first. Alright guys, so we got our new air filter in. Currently I don't have a heat shield for it. There will be one later. I got to get it made. Not sure how I'm going to do it yet. If anybody has any suggestions on how I can do that, leave them in the comments below. I'm thinking maybe 3D print it or get a welder and make it out of aluminum. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been an install on an aftermarket air filter for my 2001 Audi A4. If you guys want to see more, please check out my other videos. And 2, follow me on Instagram at WidgeTheWiz. You can see more photos of my cars and projects that I'm working on. Stay safe out there guys. I'll see you next time.